Trump open to talking about a change in tax law that is costing Californians $12 billion mo. February 7, 2019, 12:01 a.m. President Donald Trump said Wednesday that he is open to revisiting changes to a state and local tax deduction that Republicans in Washington enacted in 2017 and were. There are some people from New York who have been speaking to me about doing something about that, about changing things, the president told a small group of regional reporters at the White House. I'd be open to. Until last year, taxpayers could deduct their state and local tax payments from their federal income taxes if they itemized their deductions. Republicans according to California Franchise Tax Board, approximately 2.6 million taxpayers deducted more than the $10,000 limit in state and local taxes in 2015. Of that group, get 6 months of free digital access to the Modesto Bee. But some middle-class taxpayers are likely to pay more, too. According to that prompted lawmakers in California and elsewhere to press a change to the law. Leading the charge on some Republicans, like Lee Zeldin and Peter King of New York, also. The issue could split Democrats as well as Republicans. There's a perception, while the president didn't rule out amending the SALT cap, he also defended the concept behind it. It makes all states. Pascrell, for one, remains skeptical that Trump is willing to reopen the debate on SALT, which was one of the most contentious elements of the 2017 tax code rewrite. Is he serious? He signed that. Emma Domain contributed to this report. Emily Cadet works out of the McClatchy, Washington bureau, where she covers national politics and policy for McClatchy's California readers. A native of Sacramento. February 7, 2019, 11:32 am. A Stanislaus County, CA judge said he received the report of the mental competency evaluation for Paulo Virgin Mendoza, who is accused of murder in the shooting of Newman Police Corporal Ronald Singh. Get 6 months of free digital access to the Modesto Bee. Real-time updates and all local stories you want right in the palm of your hand.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.